Daily Bible Reading, September 30th, 2025. Memorial of Saint Jerome, Priest and Doctor of the Church. Lectionary, 456. Reading 1. Zechariah 8 verses 20 to 23. Thus says the Lord of hosts, there shall yet come peoples, the inhabitants of many cities, and the inhabitants of one city shall approach those of another, and say, Come. Let us go to implore the favor of the Lord, and I too will go to seek the Lord. Many peoples and strong nations shall come to seek the Lord of hosts in Jerusalem and to implore the favor of the Lord. Thus says the Lord of hosts, in those days 10 men of every nationality, speaking different tongues, shall take hold, yes, take hold of every Jew by the edge of his garment and say, Let us go with you, for we have heard that God is with you. Responsorial Psalm. Psalm 87:1 BE3, 4-5, 6-7. Zech 8:23, God is with us. His foundation upon the holy mountains the Lord loves, the gates of Zion, more than any dwelling of Jacob. Glorious things are said of you, O city of God. God is with us. I tell of Egypt and Babylon among those that know the Lord, of Philistia, Tyre, Ethiopia, this man was born there. And of Zion they shall say, One and all were born in her, and he who has established her is the Most High Lord. God is with us. They shall note, when the peoples are enrolled, this man was born there. And all shall sing, in their festive dance, My home is within you. God is with us. Alleluia. Mark 10 verse 45. Alleluia, Alleluia. The Son of Man came to serve and to give his life as a ransom for many. Alleluia, Alleluia. Gospel. Luke 9 verses 51 to 56. When the days for Jesus to be taken up were fulfilled, he resolutely determined to journey to Jerusalem, and he sent messengers ahead of him. On the way they entered a Samaritan village to prepare for his reception there, but they would not welcome him because the destination of his journey was Jerusalem. When the disciples James and John saw this they asked, Lord, do you want us to call down fire from heaven to consume them? Jesus turned and rebuked them, and they journeyed to another village.